In this short video, I'm going to discuss about top 7 Python libraries every AI specialist must learn in 2026. Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about top 7 Python libraries every AI specialist must learn in 2026. As we discussed in our previous videos, learning Python is very important to stay ahead with the AI game, right? And at the same time, Python libraries are important to achieve different solutions. So again, learning Python is easier, as I said, and I don't want to really discuss or show you every coding, but rather understanding the concept is very important. So new tools, new frameworks, right, and new models, right, are evolving every day and every single week. Yes, so master this exact stack used in real world, because I always talk about learn something which is being used in the real world AI systems and become job ready as an AI engineer. Because as you know the concept, see, knowing is important, how to do is the next step, right? We all know. So once you know what to learn, learning will be easier for you. So if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. This helps us understand you are from IT industry and you love IT career. But what is an AI engineer? Just a short description. An AI engineer today is not someone training models from scratch, right? Instead, they focus on integrate, build and deploy, because you must know how to integrate pre-trained models, build an AI powered applications, correct? Know how to deploy a reliable, scalable and production ready system. So top 7 Python libraries for AI engineers. So I love Pydantic, and Pydantic is a game changer, because if you need to, as I mentioned in my previous videos, if I need to provide a proper structured prompt engineering, you must know how to use Pydantic. Very important, right? And also to protect your prompts from the prompt injection, right? Sort of a so security vulnerabilities, you must learn Pydantic. So for me, number one package that every AI specialist must learn is Pydantic. Okay. Number two, you also need to know Pydantic settings. Very important. So you need to know Pydantic settings as a next step, right? Also Python.NET env. So see, I know it's very Python.NET is an easier, simple package, but you must learn that. Fast API, very important if you need to develop API, right? Celery, if you need to use the cron jobs. SQL Alchemy, it's so important. SQL Alchemy is the next important package that everyone must learn. And then Alembic. Alembic is the next in the list, which is very, very important package as well. So let's start with a little understanding of Pydantic, so called the backbone of a reliable AI system. See, AI data is messy, we all know, and we need to structure it. APIs return unpredictable outputs at times, correct? Pydantic keeps your system stable. This is why we use Pydantic structure models, everything, right? Validate, structure and prevent. Okay, so that's what you must learn Pydantic. So I would always say, if you skip using Pydantic, your AI app will become a fragile wrapper only, right? So always try to use Pydantic when necessary, or not necessary, you can use Pydantic everywhere. Next is Pydantic settings. Is very important. Your configuration manager, we call it, right? API keys, like manage all API keys in one place, validate environment variables, and centralized settings. No more broken apps due to missing config. So this is where Pydantic settings is used. Python.NET, we all know, right? Keep your secrets safe. So avoid pushing secrets to GitHub, right? And then combine with Pydantic for validation. Again, Pydantic remains one of the backbone of your entire configuration and the response. First API, your AI apps, so-called backbones. You create, build fast, validate, and async is very important, because high performance support, that is what asynchronous communication is important, and Fast API is outstanding because of its asynchronous support. So remember, front end has an AI logic, and then you have a database, and everything is been configured and written through any API system like Fast API. Salary, keep your app fast and responsive. Background jobs, long LLM chains, and then scale it. This is why you use Salary to run cron jobs and your continuous background jobs, repeated tasks. SQL Alchemy, your database interface, what it does, right? Write all database logic in Python, no row SQL complexity, and manage models and queries easily. That's what you must use SQL Alchemy, right? So works perfectly with PostgreSQL. And the number 7, Alembic, handle database changes safely. That is very important, because you might need a lot of changes in your database, right? Add, remove columns, version control, run migration. So whenever you perform any changes in your database, right, add or remove columns, version controlling your database and run migrations, everything becomes easier for you when you use Alembic. So yes, there are lot many others Python modules available, but as you start your journey, I say at least start with these 7 Python modules, which gives you a lot of scalability in your products or solution that you are developing, right? So I hope it was helpful. I wanted to make it short. I would have made it 10, 20 top list and all, but if you use these 7, you are ready to develop any AI solution along with any LLM connectivity, right? So check out our other videos, and I will continue to give more insights about AI, how to develop more solution, whether it is infra based solution, whether you use ServiceNow, connectivity with AI, right? And then you analyze your ServiceNow, whether you develop an AI product, where you develop an probably healthcare product, right? Or some education based product. So I will continue my journey to provide you more details about very specific to AI, Python, LLMs, how do you develop products, and very soon I will be demonstrating with you end-to-end product development or solution development, or infrastructure solution, front end, back end, middleware, and APIs development, all with Python, because I love Python, and I will talk through everything possible along with other technology like Node.js, React, which is for front end. So stay tuned, like, subscribe our channel, and I will ensure to develop more insights, videos, everything about AI, okay, for you to learn and be a AI specialist as we proceed. Thank you so much. I hope it was helpful.